Myself, Miss Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. In this video, you will learn about introduction of the subject. So, introduction, program name Electrical Engineering Program Group, program code is EE, semester is 6th, course title Maintenance of Electrical Equipment, course code 22625. Rationale. The electrical engineering technologist is required to carry out the maintenance of the electrical machines and equipment, which includes installation and testing. He or she is thus expected to use the relevant skill sets while working in the industry, commercial establishments, and public utility departments such as PWD, irrigation, electricity supply agencies, water supply, and sewage board. This course aims the student with the skills to inspect various types of installations and test electrical machines as per prevailing standards. She or he will also be able to carry out different types of maintenances of electrical equipment. She or he will follow the relevant safety practices during such activities. Course outcome for this subject is, there are 5 course outcomes. First one is, follow safe practices to prevent accidents while using electrical equipment. Second, prepare maintenance schedules for electrical equipment. Third, maintain rotating electrical machines. Fourth, maintain single phase and 3-phase transformers. And last one is, maintain installation system of electrical equipment. Teaching and examination scheme. So this paper is for 3 hours and which has a weightage of 70 marks, 28 marks passing, and internal marks are 30. So total 100 marks and minimum passing for is 40. The practical will be external practical exam of 25 marks and having 10 marks passing. Internal, that is manual checking, term work marks are 25, 10 marks for passing. So total practical marks are 50 and passing is 20. This is specification table for this subject. So first unit is safety and prevention of accidents, which is having weightage 10 marks. Second chapter is maintenance schedules, weightage is 10 marks. Third chapter is testing and maintenance of rotating machines, which has a weightage of 20 marks. Fourth chapter is testing and troubleshooting of transformers, which having weightage of 20 marks. Fifth is maintenance of electrical machine installation and weightage is 10 marks. So total having 70 marks for this subject. Suggested learning resources. So these are the reference books for this subject. In this first one is electrical machines. Author is Bhattacharya S.K. Publication McGraw-Hill Education. Second book is Electrical Technology Volume 2, AC and DC Machines. Author is Therja B.L. Publication S. Chan. Third book is Electrical Machines Theory and Practice. Author is Bantopadhyay M.N. And publication PHR Learning PVT Limited. Fourth is IS codes for transformers. Fifth is IS codes for induction motors. And sixth, guide for testing of single phase and universal motors. So you can refer these books for the subject maintenance.